This problem is from Chapter 7, Section 2, problem number 27 in the book Calculus Early Transcendentals, 8th edition by James Stewart. We have an indefinite integral of tangent cubed times secant. Since the power on secant is odd, it's just 1 here, let's pull out a factor of tangent times secant outside of this integrand. So I have tangent squared x, and then here's the other power of tangent times our secant. And the reason for doing so is that we'll eventually be able to deal with this term, tangent times secant, when we do a u substitution. And that u sub should be u equals secant of x. But before we do that,